Hey there, Honors World History. So I just wanted to tell you a quick story because we're talking about 9/11 with this and what a historian would ask and what would a kindergarten version ask you about 9/11, those types of things. I found it very relatable because I was asked to speak to my son's preschool class a little bit back here about my job, about being a history teacher. And I unfortunately started off with talking about how I taught about the past, right? And you think that'd be totally fine. But then I had kids, raise your hand like this. And I was like, okay, yeah, you over here, And the kid goes, dinosaurs were in the past. And I'm like, yes, dinosaurs were in the past. You're right. Dinosaurs were. But, scientists are the ones that study dinosaurs. And I just told them about their science class and math class and language arts where you get to read and write and history. And I teach history, right? And so, okay. All right. Next person. Dinosaurs are really cool. Okay, yes, I know dinosaurs are really cool, but I don't teach about dinosaurs. Science teachers teach about dinosaurs. Yes, yeah, dinosaurs were around like 100 million years ago. And I was like, oh my goodness, I'm never getting out of here. And I just remember having that epic fail of I thought I could teach little ones, like just talk to them for 30 minutes about my job. And it was probably one of the most difficult things I've ever had to do. And so I finally just said, does anyone have a question that's not about dinosaurs? And then the next question was about sports. So I'm not quite sure where we got off but I just thought I'd share that funny story with you guys. Keep this in mind that who knows what, because we talk about different disciplines and different perspectives all the time through here. And I hope you enjoyed the short story.